Unit 2, 2.1 From a Railway Carriage. Faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. In this poem, poet shares his experience of a railway journey with us. He describes its speed very amazing. He presents natural scene from the window of railway carriage. He says that train runs more quickly than the fairies can fly or the witches can move. When it advances forward, it seems that the soldiers are attacking enemy in a battlefield. The train rushes on, leaving bridges, houses, fences and ditches behind. It also leaves behind the green fields where horses and cattle are grazing. All of the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Poet says that all the scenes of hill and plains were being crossed by the train as one drop of rain follows another drop in a storm. Again and again in a very short movement, train is crossing station with a whistle. From the window of compartment of train, buildings of stations are seen as painted pictures. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for stringing the daisies. From the window of the compartment of train, he sees a child climbing a steep ground by himself with difficulty. At the same time, the child was gathering blackberries. Poet sees a homeless person who was looking at the train with amazement. He also sees some ladies in a common village grassland. They were making garlands of daisy flowers. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. He sees a cart moving slowly in the middle of the highway. It was full of load and the cart driver was sitting on the top of the load. He sees a water mill and a river. And this appears and disappears so quickly that the poet looks at the scenes for such a short time and cannot see it again.